Welcome to the world of networking, where connection speed is king. We've all been there, a buffering video, a lagging game, a page that won't load. It's frustrating, isn't it? Well, today we're going to explore some secrets to maximizing your connection speed. The first secret is all about location. Yes, where you place your router matters. If you're hiding it behind a bookshelf or in a closed cabinet, you're not getting the best signal. So, let's bring your router out into the open, preferably in the center of your home. The next secret is about the number of devices connected to your network. Each device uses a portion of your bandwidth. So, if you have too many devices connected at once, your speed may suffer. Try to limit the number of devices using your network at the same time. Did you know that even the age of your devices can affect your connection speed? Older devices may not be able to handle higher speeds. So, if you're using an older device and experiencing slow speeds, it might be time for an upgrade. Our last secret is about your internet service plan. If you're on a plan that offers lower speeds, no amount of tweaking your settings will make it faster. So, if you're not getting the speeds you want, you might need to consider upgrading your plan. In conclusion, maximizing your connection speed is about more than just pressing a button. It involves strategic placement of your router, limiting the number of devices on your network, upgrading older devices, and possibly changing your service plan. Here's to faster, smoother, and more reliable connections.